Would you like to create stunning AI artwork just like this? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make amazing AI generated art pieces almost instantly. You don't need any experience. We're going to be using the Lensa app. Let me bust open my phone and I'll show you exactly how you can create images like this. Let's go. So first, you got to download the Lensa app. Once you've downloaded the app, simply open it up just like so. And you can see I've already been playing with this a little bit. This is my beautiful, beautiful daughter. But today we're making avatars of me, avatars of myself. So again, what you're going to do is you're going to get logged in. You're going to click the magic avatar button here, and then you're going to select create new avatars here at the bottom. Now, I'm not looking to make my pet a superhero, although Yoda is pretty awesome. I want to create different looks for myself. These make for very interesting thumbnails, social media graphics, super, super cool. So that's what we're doing today. Okay. What to expect. So listen, when you're using AI, you're going to get some wonky results, but that's part of the fun. It's part of what gets you brainstorming, right? So anyway, we're going to create images just like this. Look how sick these images look. I cannot wait to see your example. So you're going to hit continue. I'm a male, so I'm going to select male. And now I get to go through and select the different types of styles that I want. So I kind of like this adventure style. That looks dope. Mystical looks pretty cool. Maybe some anime. That looks neat. Cyborg, astronaut, merman. I don't think merman's for me. Nostalgia. That looks cool. Fantasy books. Dwarf, nah. Mage, nah. Incubus, look how interesting these are. Apocalyptic, robots, pop art seems kind of cool. I've selected 6. You can see I can select a few more. I like impressionism is really cool. Oil painting. I have 2 more styles to choose from. I'm going to go with maybe some light and shadow. And maybe some cyborg. Now, let's do some rock star. Let's do some rock star. So we've selected 10 different styles here. You can see, what? Gosh, I really want that sci-fi. You can see how interesting this is. So you can select 10. And I'm going to continue with these 10 styles. Now, next, what you're going to need to do is slam on. Okay, so next what we need to do is we need to upload some selfies, okay? And you can see here that you want to use selfies that are of the same person, adults, a variety of backgrounds, facial expression, head tilts, and angles, right? You want different types of angles and so on and so forth. Bad examples you can see here would be images with like your dog or full length images. Maybe there's a lot of distractions in the background. I know you want to see some more of this sick body that I got going on here, but you know what? Maybe avoid the bikini shots for this. So let's go ahead and we're going to go find 10 to 20 selfies inside our picture gallery. So let me go ahead and hop in my gallery and select a few right now. All right, so now that I've selected a bunch of images, 15 images here, gosh, that's poor me at my old day job. So glad that I run my own business. If you run your own business, by the way, type in the comments below. What do you do? I want to hear about it. Smash that like button too while you're at it. So let's go ahead and hit the import button. All right, so we're going to go ahead and import these. Now this software is not completely free. It's not very expensive. It costs about $5. Let's see here, $6 to create 100 unique avatars. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. If you haven't yet, go ahead and set up the payment. I'm telling you, it's going to be worth it. For $6, you cannot go wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that button and cash out. Okay, boom. So I went ahead and paid the fee. Now the magic is happening in the background. The photos are being uploaded, and I'm just going to go ahead and wait. It looks like it's going to take about 13 minutes to generate all the avatars. So I'm going to go ahead and I think grab a drink, maybe a quick bite of an apple. I'll be right back here in just a minute. All right, boys and girls, ladies and germs, dogs and cats, we've got avatars. We've got magic avatars. So why don't you say we go ahead and see what we've got here in pack number 3. So holy crap, these are, look how amazing I look. Would you be impressed if I showed up ready to save you? I think I would be. Look at this. Ooh, I got some goblins in the background. This is unbelievable. Look how sick these pictures are. Oh, barbarian mark. Okay, sign me. I look like something out of what's that? I look like something out of Game of Thrones, bro. Ready to just crush your skull. And look at these animes. These are pretty dope. These are pretty sick. Look how cool I don't know. These are just so amazing to me. These are so cool. Now you see how easy these are to create. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll through here. We're going to find maybe one or two. That's pretty freaking creepy right there. That's a weird looking. These are weird. Those are a little weird. Still weird. That's kind of part of the fun of this, though, is seeing some of these really weird ones, right? Like these are kind of crazy too. So let's say I really like this. Like this looks really cool, right? It's that simple. You just hit the save button. You can save it in 4K or in standard resolution, and it saves right to your phone. So I'm just going to save in standard resolution. I'm going to go ahead and give them a 5, okay? And then it's going to be saved directly into my gallery. Right there in my gallery, right there. And I can use this image, I can share it on social media. There's all kinds of cool things that you can do with your very own images as well. If you like this video, smash like so you can get shown more videos on how to do this. And thanks for subscribing. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.